Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to a Mossology video, and in today's video, I haven't done too many unboxings. I've more so have done videos like, oh, I got this or I got that, but I don't do unboxing videos. So yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Pretty much, this Nintendo Switch is like... It's like the OG Nintendo Switch, but battery life is better and the screen is much more better. But other than that, there's not like any major differences. Like, I'm trying to think of some stuff. Like that's it. Like everything else is the same. Oh, and then the kickstand is like better and stuff, because on that one I can see on the OG Nintendo Switch the kickstand just instantly breaking, like after a fall, tumble, like after, like, you know, some time of it getting old. I definitely see that kickstand breaking. But now with this one, let me just go ahead and figure out how this opens. But no, I had the original Nintendo Switch. I remember I got it. I was like trying to wait for it in the store for the longest, and they, yeah, it was like, oh, that's how it opens. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to flip it up like this. But no, I remember like trying to get the original Nintendo Switch, and it was kind of like, I remember when the Wii was coming out, and my mom was trying to get it, and there was no stores that had it. And I think I had just randomly walked into the store one day and asked them, like, do you guys got any Nintendo Switches? Like, if y'all say no, I am not gonna be angry. I'm probably just gonna get a game for my Xbox or PlayStation, go about my business. And they was like, oh yeah, we have some. And so I bought it. And then I remember when they had came out with their subscription service, I wasn't even really playing my Nintendo Switch a whole lot. And then when they came out with that Nintendo like membership service thing, I got rid of it and was like, you know, I'm tired with the subscriptions. But no, like the subscription is like dirt cheap. Like for 1 year, you could, like, it's like $20. And so I'm like, I don't even know why I was tripping, but I guess it did pay off in the long run because I did get the better Nintendo Switch. But anyways, let me open this up without it like hitting my microphone and stuff. So they have, of course, yeah, so I had got the ones with the white Joy-Cons. I think they do have, like, I think there was neon, no, yeah, they have like the OG Joy-Cons with it. But other than that, yeah, it's like, it's, you know, there ain't no differences with the Joy-Cons and stuff. I think this was supposed to be like the OG, like for the OLED Nintendo Switch, like the white ones. But anyway, so yeah, got your Joy-Cons. Let's go ahead and take it out the bags and stuff. You're just gonna slap down on the floor. But yeah, they feel the same. There ain't no like major difference with them. I think they did say though with the Nintendo Switch that the it's slightly bigger on this one. So okay. Yeah, you could kind of tell like the screen is a little bit better and stuff versus with the, yeah, and you can kind of tell like the size difference too with it. Yeah, it definitely, it feels different. It definitely feels a little bit different, but yeah, other than that, yeah, it's like there are some differences with it and stuff. So, but I like it. But no, this is what I was talking about. So the kickstand, is it like a clip thing or it just folds open? Okay, so it folds out and stuff. It ain't like no button you gotta press, but yeah, so it just balances like that, and you can't really see it. Hold on. Yeah, I feel like that's good. Y'all can see that, but anyways, but no, like I'm liking it. I'm liking it. See if it turns on. Oh, yup. Look at that, bro. Yeah, because I'm like, bro, I want me a Nintendo Switch. I was getting bored, and I'm like, you know, at times I just want to, like, you know, just don't want to feel confined to an area and just play a game. Oh, that's it? Okay. Oh, so it's like just the little settings thing and stuff. But let's see. I think, oh, it's just like what is this, like the warranty? I think this is like the little warranty packet that comes with it. So there's that. And then see what other things, probably like a HDMI, yeah, HDMI cord. So for when you want to plug it up to the TV and things. That's what I was going to, oh, does it come with a controller? Oh, it comes with a controller. Did it come with a controller last time? It might have. I don't know. But anyways, so HDMI cord. So for when you want to like plug it up to the TV and stuff, and then it has like your like brick thingy. I don't know, like the plug-in brick for when you need to charge it, or for when you need to like plug it up to the well, actually, you know what? No, I'm trying to think. I had to like, because it's been a while since I've actually done anything with a Nintendo Switch, so I don't really remember too much from it. But then you got your, you know, the little thingy thing. Is it white? Bro, all this stuff, man. Okay, let's just slap that on the floor. No, it's not. Oh, it is. Oh, that's kind of cool. Because the other one was black. So, like, yeah, it's, yeah, that's cool. It definitely seems, even this is different, too. Like, because that other one was just, to me, in my opinion, like, I didn't really like it as much. But, nah, let's, I did see, though, in a video where I guess, like, it's, does it not plug in? Oh, it does. I think I was just okay, yeah, it's plugged in and stuff, but it's not like. So I remember somebody was saying like it's too wobbly, and I'm like, I feel like it's sturdy. I'm like, if you're moving it around a lot, I can see it like popping out and things. But other than that, like it seems legit and stuff. So yeah, but hold on, let me. I don't want to like open this up the wrong way. Like because I don't know if it. Okay, there we go. Oh, so it just pops open. Okay, okay. Because the other one kind of like it opened up like a book a little bit, but this one it just pops open. Okay, that's cool. I do feel like that this may like break in the long run. I kind of like how it was on the other one where it just easily popped open versus with this one, it's like you have to, you know, like it's going to be a time where you just get careless and you just open it up. I feel like a piece is going to break because those like this pieces are like, I don't even want to open it up again because I'm like, I just want to like preserve it and things. But I do feel like that it can easily break. I don't know. I'll check online and see, but I think for the most part, yeah, it may be solid, but yeah, got your USB ports on the side, and then yeah, bro, this thing is like, and it feels like it's like breaking and stuff, but like when you open it and things, it's kind of like skeptical and things, but yeah, AC adapter, HDMI out, and then it has like a LAN port, so like pretty much if you want to like plug it directly up to your Wi-Fi box and play it like that, then yeah, I can see that being pretty solid and being easier to play games online and stuff. But anyways, go and put that off on the floor. Then yeah, then you know your brick, HDMI cord, and then so it's this type of. I thought it was like one of those. I already have something like this. I think because so when I had traded this in, I think I have like 2 of these, and I remember when I traded in my Nintendo Switch at GameStop's. I think they was all like, they asked if I had this, and I was like, no, and they was like, oh, it's gonna knock off some money. But then when I went back up there to like give it to them, they was just like, oh, you're only gonna get like a few cents for it. I'm like, why would you guys make that big of a deal and stuff? Oh, is there something else? Oh, then it has like so like if you're playing, so remember like the Wii controllers where it had the strap? So that's what these are. It has like a strap for both arms and stuff, so in case if you're playing a particular game and things. But yeah, other than that, it's chilled. I'm liking the Nintendo Switch. I'm definitely gonna be, you know, using it for a little bit, because just to have something like, you know, just like in case if I'm installing a game or just got something that you know that I'm doing, I'm like, okay, got me a little Nintendo Switch. Does it? Oh, that's like the pieces inside. I was like, wait a minute, does it like make noises when you shake it? I'm like, oh, that's crazy, but it is touchscreen. Yeah, because I think the last one was also touchscreen. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. And yeah, if you have any questions about the Nintendo Switch, I will be doing some videos talking about it, like, you know, my time with it and overall how I'm liking it so far. But yeah, it's pretty much the same as the OG Nintendo Switch. So if you're wanting to get it because you think there might be some major differences, there's no major differences. It's like pretty much the same, just slightly bigger, and yeah, overall like just some little like tweaks here and there with it and stuff. But other than and I think from what I've also seen, like sound is better, And yeah, so sound, screen, the little box thingamajigger. I don't know the actual name of it, but this is I think yeah, it's slightly better too. And yeah, you know, it's overall it's like it's what you would expect. All right, so not like a big difference, but like little minor differences because it's kind of like when I think of it, it's kind of like when you know when iPhones when they were releasing the cameras with the front camera and stuff. So or no, not that. It was when they added Siri and it was like the iPhone 4, then the iPhone 4S. That's what this is, all right. So this is just the S, all right. That's the old LED. They ain't like the Nintendo Switch V2 because I feel like if they were to do something like that, then it may be like a little bit different in things. But other than that, I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all go out get you your Nintendo Switch OLED, or you could get the smaller ones, which is so if you do get them like them small ones, those don't plug up to your TV. But if you get this one, the OLED, or the OG Nintendo Switch, then those ones do plug into your TV. So, anyways, and that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and peace.